Hey, welcome to Ones and Zeros. My name's Ben, and today we are doing number 4 in our series of dev blogs. Haven't put up any videos in the last week, unfortunately. Been a little bit sidetracked, but there will be a bunch more videos coming shortly. So today on the dev blog, gonna, much like the other ones, take a bit of a look at some of the videos that are coming up in the near future. So some of the stuff to look forward to. And as mentioned in some of my previous videos and the previous dev blog, we are also doing a bit of a giveaway for one lucky person for us reaching 100 subscribers on YouTube. And I think as of when I checked earlier today, we're actually up to 119 subscribers, which is pretty cool. And nearly 2,000 views so far, so not bad in under 3 months. So pretty happy about that, and thank you to everyone that has been watching and all of the subscribers and followers on Twitch. It's really awesome to see people enjoying the content. Love all of the comments that have been left on the videos too. So that's all really cool. So we're gonna firstly take a bit of a look at some of the stuff that's coming up soon. So we do have some STM32 basics videos which will be coming out shortly. Some of those will include a video looking at the SPI bus or serial peripheral interface, where we will be taking a look at how that works and the way SPI works and how we can utilize the STM32 devices to work with that one. We've also got a video coming out looking at working with RGB LEDs specifically. So particular approach there to be able to control those and get a bit of flexibility with that, as well as videos looking at controlling servo motors and stepper motors as well. So some cool stuff coming there. We're also going to start looking at doing some videos on specific peripherals as well, if I can talk properly. So looking at particular ICs, so everything from storage devices to accelerometers through to other various sensors and things like that, and looking at the ways that we can actually get the code to work for those particular devices as well. As far as our Discovering STM32 videos, the next one that will be coming out in the next week or two, we'll be taking a look at the flash memory, so using the Quad SPI peripheral, and following that we'll have a video which is coming out looking at using the SDMMC peripheral, so being able to access the SD card. Following that, there will also be a video looking at FATFS so that we can implement the FAT file system for both the flash memory as well as for the SD card, so make it a little bit easier for us to be able to copy stuff over from computer, image files, all that sort of stuff. So that's coming up there. We'll also have a couple more videos coming out from our FPGA basic series soon. One of them will be taking a look at using clocks and registers, and then we'll also be taking a look at being able to drive 7-segment LED displays using the FPGA as well. And plenty more planned in that particular video series to come out as well. So it's quite a lot of videos that I want to get out. It's just a matter of getting the time and getting all of the preparation work done to get those out. There will also be some more debugging videos and C++ videos coming out soon as well. So over the next couple of weeks, I'm hoping to maybe get another 10 videos done, see how we go for time, but there'll be plenty more videos coming, even though it has been a little bit quiet over the last week. So to the giveaway that I mentioned, so we have a few items that we would like to look at giving to one lucky person as a result of reaching 100 subscribers, as I mentioned. So if we switch over to this one, the first thing that we've got is a little package of different bits and pieces that we're going to be giving away to that person. So first of those is a STM32F103 blue pill board. We've also got a SD card adapter so that you can hook that one up and use the SDIO peripheral to be able to use SD cards with that one. And because the Blue Pill doesn't have a lot of I/O, we're also looking at giving away the GPIO expander, which is a device that we are going to be taking a look at. That's actually this guy in a future video. So this will be for one of our peripherals videos. This one allows you to have an additional 16 GPIO pins, so inputs or outputs, they're individually selectable. And you can also use it to be able to do interrupts as well, so it's fairly flexible. And you only need 2 of the STM32 GPIOs to hook it up, because it does communicate over the I2C bus. So that's a good little package to get someone started messing around with some of the code that we've been looking at. And we will specifically be looking at the stuff for the SD card adapter and the GPIO expander in upcoming videos as well. And along with that, because you need to be able to hook everything up, we're also going to be providing a set of cables, female to female cables, to be able to hook all of that stuff up. Bear in mind, because these guys do not have the pins soldered to them initially, you may need to look at soldering those, or if you don't have a soldering iron and can't get hold of one, then whoever wins, feel free to let me know, and I'm more than happy to get those guys soldered up before they get shipped off. So that's available to anyone that is in a country that can be shipped to from Australia. So I don't believe there's a lot that we can't ship to, and we'll be covering the shipping costs and stuff like that. So you may have some import duties or something from customs when it gets to your country, but as far as the costs of actually getting it there, that's all going to be covered on our end. So cool little package for someone to get started. And we will also be looking at doing another giveaway when we get to 250 subscribers as well. So not that too far away, considering the rate at which we've been gaining new subscribers on YouTube, which is awesome. So with that one, the way that you can get your hands on that will be, there will be a bit of information left in the YouTube description on this video, describing what we're looking for, what you actually need to do in order to get your name in the hat, and the first person that emails me with the required information to the Gmail address down there will score themselves those cool toys to be able to play with. And this Blue Pill is compatible with the Blue Pill code that we already have up on our GitHub repository as well, which we also have linked to just down in the corner there. So that's what's coming up in the near future. So keep an eye out for all of those videos. There will be a spy video coming out in an hour or two, so keep an eye out for that one. I'm going to be getting that one streamed shortly. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all of the new subscribers and all of the lovely comments people have been leaving. It's really awesome to see people enjoying this stuff. So thanks very much, and see you in the next video.